It's a technical rock crawl from start to finish, and it didn't take long for our first break.
It looks like the front might be U-bolt, so it's probably a 9/16 or a half.
Man, I made up that cool little obstacle and that overextended the front end, so the drive shaft slip yoke, which goes here, right? It just overextended and it came out. So now we're trying to line it up, stick it back in, stick a U-joint back in, and we're good to go. It's a minor issue problem, just a small delay, as we like to say.
You always want to bring spare drive shafts when you're on the trail, but I think Willie might be able to actually fix his slip yoke issue with his Carlyle tool bag. Having the right tools out here is essential, because when you break in Johnson Valley, there's no limping it back to camp. That's why we rely on strong, dependable Carlyle tools. And if you happen to break a tool on the trail, just take it to any Napa store, they'll swap it out for a new one, free of charge. But you have to get there first.
I didn't have my tools with us, but I rode with the Carlyle tool person, and he had the perfect set of tools for us. So every time we would break, fail, or something would come unglued, he was there with the tools and the necessities to get us back on the road. Carlyle came equipped, and that's what saved us and kept us wheeling all week.
This is the point on Sledgehammer where the ride shifted from winching to braking. First, Willie snapped his drive shaft while he was working his way along the trail. Luckily, that's why we always pack spare parts. And good thing we did, because right after that, I broke my drive shaft as well while trying to winch off a rock I'd gotten high centered on. Fortunately, it was a quick fix. We pulled out a few tools from the Carlyle kit, made the Trailside repair, and got back on the rocks for more punishment.
So I kind of got into a mess that I should never have been in. I should have been over there, but I was over here on this rock, and then I tagged the drive shaft and broke it. So luckily I had spares. So put some things in there, and now I'm gonna try and back out of this mess and drive over there, where I should have been in the first place.